Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today we're going to have a quick unboxing from Jports, and this one is a cute pouch that I got from a week ago. So we're going to check this out. So this one is a project bag that I need to change the color of it because this is the one that I have. This one is from Jports, and this is the Walker Vernis Varnished Leather. So it's a Walker Vernis. So as you can see, it's somewhat bright. So let's do that. This is so cute. So let's see what's gonna happen. So the good thing about this one is that it's so cool. When I saw it, it does have a generic dust bag, and it's orange. I thought it's red, so it's orange. But the good thing about this one is that you can wear that one like this, like that, or you can wear down a shoulder bag like this for a quick wherever you're going and stuff like that. So that's that. But this is orange. I thought it's red. The good thing about this one, that's why I really like this, is that of course I'm going to color all this one. Probably I'll make it black, and I don't want it to be shiny as like this, as you can see that. But the good thing about this is that when you open it, it's a bit sticky right now, and then it does open, and there's a lot of compartments. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card slots on here. There's a compartment on here. There's no stickiness on this one. There's the look at the zipper pull. It's so cute. It's kind of like a lock, like what I'm wearing right now. So yeah, this is inspired by Minnie. Thank you for that. And then there's the coin area here that it works. The zipper is working, and then there's a tab here that you can open, and then that's that. It's somewhat peeling already, so I can just clean it up. Yeah, it started to peel. So those are the things that I'm going to do with this bag. And then there's a compartment here, and then there's compartment on the other side. So basically it's a really nice mini shoulder bag that you will have, and then it's going to be so tiny. Hold on. Now I'm kind of like figuring out how to undo it. There you go. So for this little thing with a strap like this, it's so nice. And then the strap is all good, as you can see. So yeah, and this is really orange, so that's too bright for me, so I'm going to change the color of that. But this is so cool. For less than $150 from Jports, it's you can't beat that, right? So yeah, so now I'm going to look for the date code on this one, so that will make sure that that's the one that's kind of like hard to find usually. I'm sure it's in the bottom. It's kind of like tacked in somewhere, or on the side. Oh, there you go. I found it. So this one is TH1928. So this one is from the year of 1998. December 1998. So you will see it in there. Louis Vuitton, made in France, Paris. And then I just really need to clean it up too. This is just a quick unboxing from Jports. And yeah, I liked it. It's a project bag for me. I will show you the finished product of it, and then yeah. So I'm happy with this purchase that I have. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. I love you all, as you know that, and I'll see you again. Bye.